Hello friends, in this video we are going to deal with database, and in the database we are using MongoDB. MongoDB is a kind of NoSQL database. Here we are using a JavaScript object. Before using it, we have to create an account here in the MongoDB Atlas. I have already opened it. I am going to create account with Google. I am clicking on the login with Google, and here I will log in with my Google account. You can create your account manually as well. After clicking here, you have to create a cluster. I am accepting all the privacy policy and tick here and submit it. It will take few time. Now here we have to create a cluster. I don't want to pay anything, so I'm creating a shared cluster. Here I am choosing AWS and the city is Asia. Sorry, the city is Mumbai. The next thing I am going to use, I am changing the cluster name to ITJ. You can name this as you want to. I am clicking on create cluster. Now you have to fill all such stuffs. Create your first database user. After clicking it here, we have to click on the database access and create a new database user. I am giving a username as ITJ 2020 and the password is 12345678, and here I am clicking on add user. I think user has been the password provided is too weak. Okay, fine. I'm creating a random password. No need of it. And after it, the next thing is you have to do, I have already created password? No, I do have not. Let's create a database user, and in the user I am using ITJ 2020 and the random password is okay. I'm now adding a user. It's fine. I'm saving it. The next thing is whitelist your IP address. Here in the network access, you can add your IP address. In the IP address, allow access from anywhere. Fine. It's the optional part. Let's connect to your cluster. When you click on connect and connect your application, you will get a code. Let's copy that code and save it in your notepad file. Here you have to edit few things. such as password. The password is fine, and here everything is fine. Let's save the file and we will use it later. Okay, fine. Now we will back to our code editor, and here we will create a new file, that is config, and here in config folder we will create a new file, that is default.json. Here we will paste our code. Okay, okay, let's paste the code here. Mongo URI, and in the double quote I have paste my code here. Let's save the file. And now in the server.js we will use our default.json file. For creating a database, I am going to use db.js. Here we will put all the code related to our database. Const mongoose equals to require mongoose. The next thing is we have to get the config. So require config. It will use as a global variable. Now we will use Mongo URI const db equals to config.get Mongo URI. Fine. Now we will connect to database. For it we have to write mongoose.connect. We can use here async await process. We can use .then also, but it's a long process, so instead of it we are using here async await. It will work as same as .then process. Fine. Const connect db equals to, and we are using async await here, then we'll write async arrow function, and here we will write mongoose.connect, and we will put it on try catch block. If there any error, it will show an error. Okay, in the try proc we will connect mongoose.connect. If it connected successfully, we will use await before it database. Now it will connect to the database. If it connected successfully, we will show a message mongoose database connected successfully. What you want to write here. Otherwise, if there any error, you can console it as error dot message. Fine. And process dot exit, so that you can exit from the error. Fine. exit process. Okay, I will comment out it. Nice. Last thing, you have to export it, module.exports and connect DB. Fine, that's all for here. Now in the server.js you have to require it. Under express you write const connect DB equals to require, and the bracket you have to write dot slash config dot db. Okay, and you can call it here connecting database. Okay, and you have right here connect db, you have already called here. Let's check it. npm run server. You can see here some deprecated warning and also MongoDB connect message. To get rid of such kind of deprecated warning, you have to write in your database file as it is showing here. Use new your parcel equals to 2. Let's write there. In here after db comma here let's write it use new your parcel equals to true. Fine, now you can see though no deprecated warning and MongoDB is connected. Let's go to your browser and check, or you can use your Postman also to check it. Okay, because we don't have any kind of writer, we don't have to check anything. As is showing here, MongoDB is connected. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.